Alright guys, 2016 Hyundai Genesis 3.8 V6. The oil light was blinking and the customer brought it here. We are doing the oil pressure sensor, this one. So be aware of, there is two oil pressure sensors on this vehicle. One is down there. Let me turn that light on. One is down there next to the oil filter housing, $300 something. And the other one is underneath of the intake manifold, which caused this problem according to us. And this is going to be the part number on it. And this one is also almost $300 something. So we need to remove the intake manifold, a bunch of screws, brackets, and all this stuff. We have to deal with this crap. Remove the intake manifold, the lower and the upper. Now we can't find it, and we just take a look at it. I'm not sure if we can show it to you. This fuel trim rail has to come off, along with the injectors and all the connectors. And just right there, when my finger is pointed, right there, and the sensor is sitting right there, just like that, this way. And then you need to remove disconnect all the connectors, and then it has got like 4-pin connector, as you see like that. Let me show you somehow. Right here, 4-pin connectors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 12 millimeter screws. Lose this high pressure fuel rail line, and then get into it. It's kind of challenging. I don't understand how come the all data is saying 2 hours. It's way more than that. Anyway, so for those who have this experience, just blinking the light, we check the oil pressure, everything sounds good, looks good, so we end up replacing this one. And right there, this dude. Just leave us a comment if any of you guys have got this kind of like experience, if you ever have done this kind of job on this vehicle. That's a real challenging to find out where the sensor is located, replace that one, and then move forward. That was all about it. So I don't want to go to the detail how to remove the intake manifold, all this crap, but again, it is what it is. This video is just summarize 4 hours job and pinpoint where the problem is coming from and where that actual sensor is located, right there. So there is another point. If that sensor, which was over there next to the oil filter, was bad, it's gonna give us a problem with the engine issue. So meaning the engine would just go to the limp mode and stuff like that, and then that would be an engine problem. Since we don't have any engine problem, the oil pressure and everything is good. So this dude right here, that little dude right here, is gonna cause that problem. But again, I don't understand why Hyundai engineering is just like that. Let's make it so complicated to get to that sensor. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and the more videos yet to come. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.